Had an attorney from Charleston trying to protect their land. A developer purchased 3 family members' interests, and he went to court to force the land to be subdivided. Now, the land was roughly 60 acres, plus or minus, and the family members were about 10. So what that means to an attorney is, well, hey, that land can be subdivided equitably. That's what the courts in South Carolina make a determination. Can the land be subdivided? Well, to answer that, they divide the amount of acres into the number of heirs according to their interest. In this particular case, the land can be subdivided. However, the judge ordered the property to be sold. The family contacted me. I filed a motion of reconsideration, some legal jargon, but we got back to the judge. During the time between them hiring me and the family not going to court, I set up a limited liability company. Let's say you guys were the family members. I had everyone convey their interest into a company. We went to court. The developer's attorney, of course, opposed because the facts had changed from the initial case. The judge gave great deference. It had just been a recent case that had been resolved, Zimmerman versus Zane, I think. But he had some case law. But he took the easy way out. He said, Mr. Jones, had you been their attorney at the beginning, and we could have subdivided the land equitably, meaning the company would have taken, I think they own 60%, the buyer or developer could have taken 30%. Well, he went ahead and ruled against us, and we had a sale in the courthouse in Orangeburg. Usually when they have partitions to sell, it's outside, and there's probably about this many people bidding. In Orangeburg, there was a small courtroom, and the developer and 2 of his arch rivals were bidding on it. They drove the price up to $70,000, though the land we suspect was significantly higher than that. We had an appraisal done. And the buyer wanted, the developer wanted for $70,000. Well, he didn't have to pay $70,000. He only had to pay 60% of $70,000. What that really means is he can bid higher than anyone else in the room. The family did bid themselves, but they didn't have enough money to acquire them. And I can tell you that nothing bothers me worse than when clients are delayed, crying, emotional, and things of that nature because they literally lost their land. But those are some of the stories.